Hello, this is a quick update regarding black and white options in Lightroom. If in your HSL color panel down at the bottom, you do not have B&W next to color, that means you have an updated version uh, where there is no black and white option there. So what you would do up on top in the basic panel would be to click on the black and white option next to color. When you do that, it will go ahead and convert the HSL color area to B&W or black and white. And that's where you can make the adjustments to the color luminance sliders affecting the lightness and darkness of each color. Bye.